Hey, and welcome to Supademo's August product recap. We've got a great lineup of new features and improvements that dropped in August. We're talking about 6 major ones that we think you're going to love. And trust me, you'll want to stick around until the very end because we've got an exciting bonus feature that we think you just might end up using daily. But first, let's dive into what's new in August. First up, you can now upload your own voice files directly to any Supademo. Instead of relying solely on AI voiceovers, you can now upload your own voice clones, add professional recordings, or reuse pre-existing content. This is perfect for cases where you might want more fidelity of control or want your demos to sound exactly the way you want them to. Next, we're giving you granular control over timing with custom autoplay durations per slide. Instead of setting one uniform timing across your entire Supademo, you can now customize how long each individual slide plays. Want to give viewers extra time to absorb a complex dashboard? Set that slide to 10 seconds. Need to quickly move through a simple login step? Make it 2. This level of control means your demos flow naturally, matching the complexity and the importance of each step. Speaking of customization, we've redesigned our chapter design and editing experience with powerful new styling options. This includes multiple new designs, alignment options, and a brand new editor that leverages rich text formatting like bolding, bullets, and line breaks. These new chapter styles let you create Supademos that look and feel exactly like your brand, ensuring chapters can now be as engaging and as polished as the rest of your content. For teams who love data and customization, this one's for you. Our Google Tag Manager integration is now live. This integration unlocks the ability to add multiple scripts to your Supademos, like chat widgets, custom tracking scripts, or analytics to better engage viewers, track their performance. This integration gives you the flexibility and the control that many of you have been asking for. Next, organization just got a major upgrade with folder support for showcase collections. You can now create and organize showcases within folders and subfolders. You can easily move them around and even use folder sharing to share multiple Supademos and showcases internally or externally using one link. This is great for building a demo hub or for large teams managing hundreds of demos and showcases across different product segments, regions, or customers. Here's a feature that gives you more precise branding control: the ability to customize the watermark CTA on a per Supademo basis. Instead of just workspace level settings, you can now customize the watermark that appears on the bottom right corner of each Supademo. So whether it's customizing per use case or adding product level branding, this feature allows you to drive different outcomes for different demos. And of course, we couldn't forget about the quality of life improvements that make your daily Supademo experience even better. These include hotspot buttons in the editor that now navigate directly to the link step, editable demo label names in showcases, which allow you to label Supademos in a showcase differently from their given title, and persisting your last used colors or preferences in the cropping and annotation editor, so your workflow stays fast and consistent. And now for that exciting bonus I promised. Coming soon to Supademo is Loom-like screen and video recording directly through our Chrome extension. This is perfect for async meetings, bug reporting, or quick video updates. But here's what makes it really special. This isn't just screen recording with a basic talking head. You'll get professional features like automatic zooming, custom backgrounds, branding options, and unlimited link sharing. But most importantly, you'll have the option to transform it into a full interactive demo with the CTAs, forms, branching, analytics, and the clickable hotspots you've come to know and love. The best part, it's included in your existing plan at no extra charge. We're bringing the best of both worlds: quick video recordings when you need them, and the full power of interactive demos when you want to go deeper and build more engagement. No learning curve, no new tools, everything in one simple platform. So that's August in a nutshell. These features are live on Supademo now, so jump back into your workspace and start exploring. And as always, we're building and prioritizing features directly based on your feedback, so please keep the suggestions coming. We appreciate you, and thank you for watching.